What up guys, welcome to another video. Today we are putting LEDs in the reverse lights on my 2015 WRX STi. This is for 2015 plus. I don't know about any other years, you guys can double check it, but link below to Amazon to order these bulbs. But let's get into it. First things first, pop the trunk, and then right here there are a bunch of little plastic clips. You just gotta use a flathead screwdriver to pop them out. So I had to lift up the foam piece and then pull from the bottom of this, and then you can go ahead and pull the side foam out. Alright, so I put the bulb in the car, have it on reverse with the e-brake on, with just the ignition on. I'm looking at the outside of the light. When you go in here and you're looking, you can just kind of find which is the reverse light, and then all you got to do is pull the other bulb out and slide the new one in, and then you can kind of see from the outside. Line it up and then twist it in, snap it in, and then put this back in here back together. Just gonna pull out the other side right here with the carpet, slide the other bulb in, and that's pretty much it, guys. It's super easy. I have to tell you something right now. Be very careful when you slide the light into the little deal, whatever you want to call it, and you're trying to put the light and snap it back in. That light will easily slide out and into the housing, and I just spent like 30 minutes trying to fish it out with needle nose and a little like pick thing. So be very careful when you're sliding it back into the headlight housing. It'll save yourself time. Be very gentle. And you feel like you can snap it in. It doesn't snap in, it just barely pushes in. It feels like it should go in farther, the light into the little electrical plug, but it doesn't. So just be very careful when putting it in. That's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget, follow me on Instagram. I'm giving away something fun in like the next week, in the next couple of videos. I'm excited. I'm gonna be announcing it on there, and I'm gonna be choosing a winner on Instagram, so make sure you go follow me. And then if you wanna order the bulbs, link below. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video. Peace.